In 1989, I watched They Call Me Trinity, and I fell in love with Bud Spencer and Terence Hill, and now we're at the Bud Spencer Museum. What do you know about Bud Spencer?
This guy, Bud Spencer, was truly a Renaissance man. He did pretty much everything. He was a very, very large guy, but he was, back in the late 40s and mid-50s, he was a swimming champion. He was in 2 Olympics, and he mastered the breaststroke and freestyle swimming. And he was also a writer, he was a musician, a composer, and an inventor, as well as cult favorite actor, and this museum here is dedicated to him.
So Bud Spencer, whose name, again, I'll put on the screen, his real name, he named himself after Spencer Tracy and Budweiser beer. But he also was a world-class water polo champion, a chemist, a lawyer, and he had several patents. I don't know where this guy had the time, but he died in 2016 at the age of 86. So he used those 86 years very wisely. His on-screen partner, Terence Hill, was the smooth and charming counterpart. The museum also pays tribute to this popular duo and their more than 20 films together, which have since become cult classics.
Cut it out. Did you get it?
Let us know in the comments which is your favorite film of theirs. I love a museum where you just watch them beat the shit out of people. Terence Hill?
Red Sox camp.
Oh yeah, Terence Hill's a Red Sox fan. It's like a Bud Spencer, Terence Hill, Oregon Trail. I wonder if they get dysentery. Well, they had to accommodate a little extra there. Very lifelike. But you want to go lifelike, go life size. See if we can get Mark to do the fast track with me. Their eyes follow you. Terence Hill's eyes follow you wherever you go here. I can't tell with Bud's because he's squinting, but oh, that's creepy. Well, hi there, Terence. Remember this? They put the cones in there. Oh, yep, gotta have the... Watch out, it's an apple bomb! I've heard a cherry bomb, but... And there it is right there. Yeah, huh?
See if I still got it.
You mean you once had it?
Oh!
It's a knockout. So, did you actually train in boxing, or are you just like copying things you saw on Rocky? Oh, okay. Well, that took about 10 seconds. That's how I ride my bicycle. You're gonna get that one. Yay. Very nice.